Everyone, I am Dr. Milind Desai, dentist preserving smiles since 25 years at Dahanukarwadi, Kandivali West. Today I am going to speak about precautions you need to take during and after root canal treatment. So, take your prescribed medicine properly. Don't leave antibiotics halfway. Second thing, if you have swelling along with pain, apply ice from outside. Do lukewarm salt water gargles. If your pain is still there after taking medicines, contact the doctor. He will change the dressing and your pain will get relieved. After the root canal treatment, first thing you need to take care is put a cap or crown on top of it. If you fail to do so, teeth can fracture and your entire treatment might go in vain. After putting the cap, take care in eating. Avoid very hard and sticky things from that tooth. It can dislodge your crown. And if your cap comes out, get it fixed within a week. If you fail to do so, it might not fit. So, take care of all these things, save your teeth and happy eating, and do 2 times brushing, use mouthwash, visit your dentist regularly so that you don't have root canal in any of your other teeth. Happy brushing.